Hi, welcome to Formanite Academy. Today our topic is divide fraction. Now we know how to multiply fraction. We are almost ready to divide. But first we need some terms to understand, which is reciprocal. Now understand what is the reciprocal. The reciprocal of a fraction is found by inverting the fraction. For example, let's take example 2/3. Now, inverting the fraction, placing the numerator in the denominator and the denominator placed in the numerator. Now, the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. Now the next step is, if we want to get a product of positive when multiplying two numbers, then the numbers must have the same size, so the reciprocal must have the same size. Let's understand this point by taking the example -10/7 and the reciprocal of is 7/10 and the minus is remain as. Now you notice that the numbers and its reciprocal multiplying to 1. Here it is when they multiplying -10/7 multiplying -7/10. Now they are multiplying, and then we do with the previous video by dividing out as, and now both fractions have the same signs. Now the sign of the product will be positive. Now make a formula for the divide fractions. We multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second, here as A divided B divided C and D. Now we multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second. First fraction multiplying the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is B. Now B, it is the first fraction, and multiplying with the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is C. Here it is the formula of the divide fraction. Now we need to say that B and C never equal to 0. Let's take example -2/3 divided and 5th. Now first, to divide, multiplying the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second. Again, the first fraction multiplying by the reciprocal of the second fraction. Now next step is find out the sign of product. Here we have the one fraction is negative and the second one is positive. The sign of the product will be negative. Now multiplying 2 times 5 and 3 multiplying n equal to 2 times 5 is 10 and 3 times n is 3, and the sign of the product will be negative. Now let's take another example. Right, -7/18 divided -14/27. Now solve this problem. First, to divide, multiplying the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is 7 multiplying 27, 18 multiplying 14, and the sign will be remain Now, second step is find out the sign of product in which both fraction have the same sign. So the sign of the product will be positive. Now multiplying 7 multiplying 27 and 18 multiplying 14. Now determine the common factors and write 7 multiplying. The common factor of the 27 is 9 multiplying 3 divided, and the common factor for the 18 is 9 multiplying 2, and for the 14 is 7 multiplying 2. Now divide it out and remove the common factor, which is 9, 7, and now multiplying, which are remaining, is 3, and 2 times 2 is 4. Now the answer is 3/4, and the sign of the product is positive because both fractions have the same signs. Now let's recap. Today our topic was divide fraction, but before we understand the divide fraction, we need to understand the reciprocals. Reciprocals of the fraction is found by inverting the fractions, placing the numerator in the denominator and denominators in the numerators. The number and its reciprocal multiplying to 1. For the divide, we multiply the first fraction to the reciprocal of the second number. Here it is the formula. It is necessary both the fractions have the same signs, then product contain the positive sign. If one fraction has a negative sign and other is positive sign, the sign with the product will be negative. Now the next topic is complex fraction, which is linked with the divide fractions, because a complex fraction is a fraction in which the numerators or the denominators contain a fraction. Let's understand with the example. It is 3/4 fraction bar 5/8. Now to simplify this complex fraction, we remember that the fraction bar, this is the fraction bar, means division. For example, if we solve this complex fraction, then we write 3/4 divided 5/8. Now if we want to simplify this complex fraction, now to divide the first fraction with the reciprocal of the second, write as 3/4 multiplying 8/5. Now multiplying 3 multiplying 8 and 4 multiplying 8. Before, to simplify this complex fraction, we take the common factor of 8, which is 3 multiplying 4 multiplying 2 action 4 multiplying 5. Now remove the common factor, which is 4, and multiplying the remaining. 3 times 2 is 6 and 5th. Now this is the answer of our complex fraction, which is right as before in the start. Now let's take another example, which is x half fraction bar and then x y 6. Now rewrite as division x 2 divided x y 6. Now multiplying the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second, x 2 multiplying 6 x y. Now multiplying x multiplying 6 and 2 multiplying x y. Look for the common factors, x, and the common factor for the 6 is 3, 2. Now 2 x y. Now divide out common factor and simplify, and x x. Now simplify 3 y. Here, this is the answer of this complex fraction. Now, let's recap. The complex fractions are the fractions in which the numerator or the denominator contains a fraction. First, then to simplify the complex fraction, the fraction bar means is division. For example, remember this complex fraction, rewrite as the division, and then by the divide, multiplying the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second one. And then if there is any number which is required the common factor, take it out and then remove the common factors and simplify, and here it is the answer. Thank you very much, great job. See you next video.